everyone, it's Mad Chen here. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to import and export color palettes in Procreate. Let's get straight into the tutorial by going up here to the color wheel, then tapping on palettes down here. For the export example, I'll use my own color palette, which I showed how to make in a previous video. In case you're interested in creating your very own color palettes, I'll leave the link to that tutorial up above and in the description below. To export a color palette, tap on the three dots on the right, then select Share. Then you'll be presented with a variety of ways to export your palette. But today, I'll just export it into files. I'll rename it and press Save up here. And now it should be in the Files folder. To import color palettes into Procreate, I'll just tap on the plus icon here and tap on New from File. Choose a file for Procreate to import colors from within that file. If you have any requests, feel free to tell me in the comments below. See you in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.